Hi guys, and welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacey, and today we are going to be tackling organizing the refrigerator. I don't think it's too bad. It's definitely lived in, but we're going to try to make it a little bit more organized and a little bit more easy to access all the things. And let's get started. So first things first, I am grabbing the bins that I have. Most of these are things that I've already had throughout the house when I did my declutter of my under the sink and my junk drawer. I got some of these bins from there, and then the two right here I got new from Walmart. They were both under $7. I'm thinking I might grab a couple more just because I really like the size of them and the fact that they're clear and I can just store more things in them. So the day before we spilled some juice and it got cleaned up, but I know that there's probably some of it that seeped through and is in the crevices, so I want to take everything out and clean it and wipe it down really good and disinfect. Get rid of any foods that we are no longer eating or are not good anymore, and just make everything a little bit more organized and take everything out of the wrappers just so that you can see them and they're more readily available and accessible.
Let me always, please understand and take my hand. Say you won't hold this against me, 'cause I can't help that I'm feeling this way.
So I did not want to spend a lot for this project. So like I said, I just bought those two middle bins at Walmart, and the rest I had. And then also when I went shopping to get more, I typically buy them at Home Goods and they just didn't have anything. So I decided if I needed more, I will get them in the future, but for now I will make what I have work. As you will see, I am pulling everything out, and I'm just starting with the drawers right now, just in case, something else calls me or the boys wake up or, mom life happens and I don't have to worry about everything sitting out on the counter. I can just quick do these three things, and then if I have time, then I can move on to the next.
No, I never meant to hurt you, but I'm in love with myself. 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 Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can't feel me? No, can't handle it. Right? Do you want it? No, your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see it. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need.
So I'm just using a little bit of Dawn dish soap to get these nice and clean. I don't want to use anything too harsh because I don't want to put food and chemicals. So once I am done drying these, I am going to work on the refrigerator. I just mixed a little bit of water and vinegar and I'm going to spray it all over and make sure to get the corners that I know that the juice fell into to make it a little bit easier to scrub and to make sure to sanitize each area.
Don't play with me. So do you want it? Do you want it? Can't feel me.
So this is what I was talking about, the juice that spilled and it got in between the crevice there. So I just want to make sure to spray that really good so I can scrub it out.
Oh, don't trade up on hold. Can't take it anymore. Oh, trade up on me now. Trust me and you will see it. Oh, honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. So don't put your love cold.
Now that I got the drawers in, I'm going to start putting all the produce in the bins that I have to organize and start putting them back, and then I will start doing the next 3 levels.
I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want.
So now I'm going to start washing all the vegetables. I like to fill up a bowl with cold water and then spray some fruit and vegetable cleaner on it and make sure to let them soak for a little bit and then kind of just scrub them with your hands and then rinse them well.
Done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you and holding you till we forget it all. Oh, baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. No Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Everyone always keep falling in love again. The fuck's wrong with them? I don't understand. Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done, I'ma drink at this place. Yeah. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to...
Now that I got all the produce put away, I'm going to finish prepping this broccoli, and then I'm going to go through all of the unwanted food and put that in the sink right now so I can take care of that as soon as I'm done going through the refrigerator. And now I am going to start going through all of our condiments and making sure that those are okay, and then putting them back once I've cleaned it all off. And of course, I have my little helper here. This is Andre, and I think he mainly just wants to get a snack, but he said he wanted to help, so here we go.
But why didn't I stay when I had the chance? Maybe it will pass by, someone save me. Before I pass out, I'm too lonely to be done, and my drink at this pace. Yeah. Why am I the only one?
Does anyone else get amazed at how much your kids just learn like overnight? I feel like he's been on a rampage just reading everything, and I feel like he just came out of nowhere and just started reading, but he's worked so hard this past couple months, and now he's reading books and telling me all the condiments and what their names are, and I just find it so fascinating and so amazing. If you have kids, what are the amazing things that they've been learning the past few months that have just kind of blown you away?
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth. Why am I the only one who's left in the rain with nobody to hold on to? Why am I the only one who's feeling this pain when there should be two of us? And yeah, I know we both wanted different things, but letting go just comes easy to you, don't.
Alright guys, so I am done cleaning and organizing. I'm just going to kind of go through each section with you. So we'll start at this door right here. This is where I keep my eggs, up here, and then in this spot is kind of like the sweets area. So I have like my syrups and my peach butter and some jelly and jam, those types of things in there. And then this bottom one is where I keep all the condiments and salad dressings. So I have like house salad dressing, mustard, mayonnaise, some maple, sweet chili sauce, items like that over there. On this side of the door, up top, I usually have cream cheese, but I don't have any this week. I keep my butters down here, and then in this little area right here, I keep the Baby Bell cheese, and then in this area right here, I keep the boys' yogurts in there. And then so we move over here. This is where I keep all of our yogurts up here, and then our milks and juices and things like that. At the top, I just kind of have some random things. I have naan bread up here. We usually make like little naan pizzas with those, and then I cut up some broccoli. We have salsa over there. And in this section right here, this is all of our leftover items. So an open thing of spaghetti sauce, and then meals that we had already this past week that need to be eaten. And then in this middle row, this is where I keep all of the upcoming meals, especially things like meat products in there. This is another upcoming meal. I think I'm going to have this for lunch one of these days. And then this carton of eggs only has 3 eggs in there, but I couldn't fit them in the egg area. And then you saw me go through all these. This is where all of the prepped fruits and veggies are that we washed are in here. And then down here I just have all of my fruits in here, so apples, pomegranates, oranges. And then in this area, this is where I keep all my vegetables. So I have my cucumbers and beets, and then I have my cilantros in here. And then lastly, this chef pantry drawer, I have my lemons and bell peppers, spinach. I have my romaine back here. And then I have like chopped kale, and then this is my cheese container, so sliced cheese and shredded cheese. And then back here, this is where I have like my deli meat items, so like pepperoni, diced ham, and items like that. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @HomeWithLace. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel out and lets YouTube know that you enjoy this content. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, morning, night, whenever this is that you're watching. And I hope you got all the inspiration you needed to get your refrigerator cleaned out. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.